What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sully G. Welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm pretty excited because I received, as some of you may know if you follow me on Instagram, I received a huge PR package from Drunk Elephant, the Trunk 4.0. And if you don't know what that is, go to my Instagram and you can check out my highlights under my PR package highlight, and you'll see all of the stuff that I received from Drunk Elephant. And a nice Drunk Elephant and Monos label here. And then here are the beautiful products. So just so you can see, there is 10 full-size items in here, which is driving me crazy just looking at it. Good crazy, obviously, because I just can't believe these are all mine. But I say all of that to say that, like, I have a lot of skincare products, like a lot. And I need to organize my skincare cabinet in my bathroom. So I was like, I want to record this because I feel like this is very therapeutic. Like, I love watching people organize their own stuff. So I think it'd be cool if I organize my stuff. So I want to show you guys what I'm working with, and then you'll see like what we're going to get into and how we're going to go about organizing this. All right, so as you guys can see, I have a lot of stuff, and this was the PR package. Oh, this was the PR package, this little luggage thing here that I got from Drunk Elephant. They had a collaboration with a luggage brand, and so I got a free carry-on luggage along with some awesome skincare products. So I need to organize all of this stuff, and I need to put all of this stuff into this medicine cabinet or skincare cabinet, because I don't have any medicine in here, right here. So that is what I'm going to be working on today, and I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to get the camera to angle in a way that you can see me and the products. So hold on. All right, so I hope you guys can see me good because I just put a light over here. But just work with me, y'all, because this setup is kind of weird. I have to be able to let you guys see here, but also let you guys see here and see me while I'm talking here. So my approach to how I'm going to organize this, I think is going to be very much a serum, moisturizer, mask, cleanser, and then whatever else. I will say I have some dental stuff that needs to go in here, so that will probably be at the bottom. But I want to start right here because for whatever reason, the top area and the bottom area tend to be like random. So I'm going to start with moisturizers because I feel like that's easiest. Moisturizers and serums. So we have Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream and their Lala Retro Whipped Cream. So I'm going to put that right here. And I'm actually going to put this here because this is the one that I'm currently using. Moisturizers. I have a night cream from Anipod, so I'm going to bring that along with my Rosen moisturizer that I'm practically done with, and I love this. If you're someone who's like acne prone or you have hyperpigmentation, I really recommend Rosen skincare just in general, but their Tropics moisturizer line is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here. I'm also going to put serums with the moisturizer because I just feel like it's the right thing to do since you're supposed to do serums and moisturizers anyway. So I'm going to do the TLC Night Serum with glycolic acid in it by Drunk Elephant. Very good if you are acne prone because glycolic acid is good at nipping acne in the bud. Along with Virgin Marula Luxury Oil, which if you know me, you know this is like one of my favorite serums. So we'll put that there. And we have more Drunk Elephant serum. Great, which fits there. What's this? Oh, eye serum. I didn't even think about that. Eye serums. So maybe eye serums can go above since they're smaller. This is a butter cleanser. I'll leave that with cleanser. The Sunshine Drops. Sunshine Drops. I feel like I'm going to put that here. That's just kind of like to give your skin some radiance. If you don't want to wear foundation, it gives you like a little tint. So it's not much of a moisturizer or a serum, but it does take the texture of a serum. So I'm going to put that over here. And let me think. Ooh, a plumping serum by Anapods. That's gonna go there. It's a lot of serums, guys. I have a lot of serums, and I'm actually really happy about it because as someone with oily skin, I was always scared at the idea of having a serum, but it's changed the game for my skincare routine, and it's actually made my skin less acne prone. You just have to find the right serum. So if you're someone who struggles with acne, don't be scared of serums. Serums are actually really good for your skin. You just have to find the right serum. The C Firma. Okay. Okay. So fun tip, and I shared this on my Instagram story. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. But this serum is the serum. Whoa, my words. This serum is the C Firma Drunk Elephant Facial Serum, right? It has vitamin C in it, hence C Firma. But it's meant to firm and brighten. This is a brand new one, so I haven't touched it and I haven't opened it, which means I'm going to leave it on the shelf. But they recommend that if oh my God, I can't speak today. If your serums have vitamin C in them, that you should put them in the fridge once you begin using them or once you open it, because it prolongs the life of the product. So this, for example, is Murad's Rapid Serum. And as you can see, this is brown, and it didn't start off brown. This is what it looks like. This is what vitamin C in a serum looks like when the shelf life is done, like when it's expired. So I'm going to throw this in the garbage, even though this was a really good spot serum and lightening serum for blemishes. But it's obviously expired, and I need to throw it out, so I'm going to throw this out. Oh, I'm excited. Like, this makes me want to, like, not that I don't already, because I'm very serious about my skincare, but this just makes me, like, I just can't wait to wake up in the morning like, ooh, what am I going to look at now? This is the hydrating water gel. So it serves as a moisturizer. I'll put it above the moisturizer, even though this is a gel moisturizer as opposed to a cream moisturizer. They both look very different. From what I hear, gel moisturizers are better for people with acne, but I've just found that I don't like the texture of gel moisturizers. I very much prefer a cream moisturizer. I think we might be done with the serums and moisturizers, guys. Oh my God, look, more stuff. More sample stuff. And I have travel size stuff too that I'm probably going to fit in at the end. Like this. This is Drunk Elephant's Bee Hydra Intensive Serum, which I have in the full size. Okay. So I don't really know what retinol cream is. I'm going to hold off on this. All right. I'm going to move on to cleansers and masks. So that's going to be here. So we're going to start off with Drunk Elephant's number 9 Jelly Cleanser, Bomb Cleanser. Oh man, this doesn't fit. Yeah, I knew that was going to be a problem. All right, we're just going to put the cleansers here for now. I'll switch it up. It's fine. If I don't like it, I'll go back to it. This is my exfoliant, one of my exfoliants. I don't really use it too often because I really like the green tea blackhead one, but being that it serves as a cleanser, I'll put it over here. Wow, I don't have a lot of cleansers. How did we get to this point? I don't even know how we got here. I feel real stuck right now. I just realized I have a lot of serums. I don't have a lot of cleansers, which I should know. Oh, I forgot, yeah, I got backup products. And I'm so happy about it. And listen, I'm so generous when it comes to hair care stuff. But I'm so stingy with my skincare. Like, I refuse to give this stuff away because it's like, skincare is just so expensive. It's so expensive. And I use all of it. I run through all my skincare. So I'm like, I thought about giving this away, but I was like, I can't do it. I'm not there yet. Not there yet. All right, let's just do like masks, right? Because I don't know what to do now. This is a sleeping mask, which I use by Edible Beauty, and it's really good. It leaves my skin feeling super soft. So let me wipe that, and I'm going to go ahead and put this here. This is the TLC Sakari Baby Facial Mask by Drunk Elephant. I love. Listen, most of my stuff is Drunk Elephant, and you got to know that that's because it's my favorite brand. I spend my own money on it, and they send me stuff. So it's like most of this stuff is going to be Drunk Elephant, but not all of it, I promise. Not all of it. All right, so I have 2 of those there. One hasn't been used, one I'm currently using, so I'll leave that there. I have eye creams, which I feel like I should put with my mask. I just feel like eye creams and mask make sense together, right? Like it's like an investment for the future, not for right now. I don't know. Sounds right in my head. Okay. So I'll put this, my little eye creams and butter cleanser together. I don't know what this is. Guys, this is looking so cute so far. Let me see if I can show you. You see all that lovely stuff there? All my goods, all my goods. Imagine opening your cabinet and seeing this every morning. Wouldn't you be excited about skincare too? Because I know I am. So like I have probably 2 uses left of this. But you think I'm gonna throw this out? No, because when it comes to skincare, I keep everything down to the last second, obviously. All right, guys, I wanted you guys to see what I ended up sticking with. So look how beautiful and organized this looks. I'm so happy. So from top to bottom, we have like, you know, dental stuff more so at the top. There's another row, but that's kind of empty right now. Oh, it's having trouble focusing. That's kind of empty right now because, I don't know, I didn't need much use of it at the moment. But then we have this row, which is like dental mixed with travel, like travel size stuff. And then like Vicks, which, you know, everybody needs Vicks. And then, let me move the camera down. Then we get into the 3rd row, which is all serums and moisturizers, which, oh my God, it's just like my favorite row. See, so we have Drunk Elephant, we have Rosen, we have Anipods. I think we have some Edible Beauty in there. And then we get down to the final row. And here we have our exfoliants, our cleansers, some eye creams and masks. So I'm so proud of my little collection. I think it looks amazing. And then, let me see how I can move this. These are the things that I'm throwing away. So I had some Murad stuff that had to go, some Origin stuff that had to go, and some Clinique stuff. I really like Murad and Clinique, or Murad, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but their stuff is really, really good. And Clinique was one of my go-to products before I really, well, when I really started learning more about skincare. So I'm sad to see these go, but I've had them for a while. And then this St. Ives cleanser, exfoliant cleanser, that's what I use like every other day. And so I'm just gonna leave that right there because it doesn't really fit with everything right now. And I just feel like that would be a good space for it. All right, you guys, so that was my skincare organization cabinet video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel so good about my skincare line and I feel like I'm officially a skincare junkie, which is okay. I'm proud of it. Personally, I'd rather be a skincare junkie than a makeup junkie because I just feel like that's the real investment. So that's good with me. So let me know in the comments below if you have a skincare cabinet at home that you organize and take care of, or just what are some of your favorite skincare products. And don't forget to subscribe and make sure you follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.